Hey, what's up, guys? Tricky here, with another awesome video for you. Before starting the video, make sure to like the video and hit the bell icon to get notified from every upcoming videos of our channel. So let's start our today's video. Without further delay, this video is gonna awesome and very informative for those who want to start their new YouTube channel or started their YouTube channel but fear to use their own voice in their video, like me. Or there are many other factors for not using their own voice. Or if you are started a YouTube channel and you think that your voice is not good and attractive, so this video is for you. Today I'm giving you best solution for this problem. You must try text-to-speech software at once. For this, like I'm using now. First let me know you. What is text-to-speech software was? Text-to-speech software was a software which converts text into speech. That's why we called it text-to-speech software. It is very easy to use. I also use text-to-speech software in my previous videos. And you are amazed that about 90% people thinks that it is my own voice. And I'm even tell them reality. Till now. Lol. After watching this video, they must know the truth. I used many text-to-speech software for both computer and Android. But this one, which one I am using now, this is an Android software. And it is free on Play Store. Named Narrator's Voice. Let me show you. Look, this is the best and free text-to-speech software. Let's download it. Okay, it's done. Look, this is Narrator's Voice. It's an awesome app. I'm using it from last 3 to 4 months. You can choose from different languages and different voices for free, according to your need and choice, from this single software. Look from here. Don't change this first one. In second option you may select different languages and from here you can change your voice. I'm using Paul Pink Sheep voice. You can add your text here and play it from here. You can also save it offline, and you can easily use it in your editing software from here. Let's name it Tricky. And look, it's saved in my files. So that's it, guys. If you want to ask something about this, so just let me know in comment section. Also, in which subject and topic you want to see my next video. Comment down. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you don't. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep supporting. This is Tricky. Signing out. Peace out.